I didn't learn to tell stories with a keyboard. I learned with my hands. We focused on the chemistry of film, the geometry of shadows, and the patience of a perfect take. It wasn't about algorithms or engagement metrics. It was about the craft. It was heavy, it was expensive, but it was real. Then the industry snapped. The demand for content didn't just double, it exploded. Clients wanted Hollywood visuals on a TikTok schedule, make it viral, make it louder, and do it for half the budget. We stopped being artists and started being content factories. So we pivoted. We embraced AI. We saw the promise of speed and the magic of generation, but the magic came with a cost. Every week, a new model, every day, a new subscriptions. We were drowning in tabs, chasing the latest shiny tool just to keep up. The learning curve wasn't a slope anymore, it was a vertical wall. We don't need more tools, we need sanity. We need one place that respects the craft and the technology. No more jumping. This is the new way to create. Introducing the Artlist AI Toolkit.
So what is Artlist AI Toolkit? This is a game changer, guys. We're talking AI image generation, AI video generation, and AI voiceover, all in one organized workspace. And the best part? Everything stays connected. No more losing context. No more re-explaining your project every time you switch tools. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire platform, show you how to create a complete video project from scratch. And honestly, I think this is going to change the way you create content in 2026. So let's dive in. Alright, so let's head over to Artlist. The link will be in the description box. Once you're logged in, you'll see your core pillars, AI video and image, and AI voiceover. And you'll see the new AI toolkit right here in your navigation bar. Click on that and boom, this is your creative workspace. Here you can see some example videos. On the left side, you will find all the projects you created. For this one, I will start a new project. At the bottom, you will find the creation box or prompt box. You can switch between image and video creation from here. Before we start creating, let me quickly explain how the project system works. Everything you create lives inside a project. So instead of having random generations scattered everywhere, you can organize everything by campaign, by video, by client, however you want. This is huge for staying organized, especially if you're working on multiple projects at once. Alright, let's create our first project. I'm going to call this one Tech Product Launch, because we're going to create a short promotional video from scratch. Let's go. Okay, so we're starting with AI image. This is where things get really interesting because Artlist just launched their own exclusive model called Artlist Original 1.0. This model is trained exclusively on Artlist's high-quality cinematic footage. So the images you get are production-ready, photorealistic, and honestly, they look like real professional photography. Let me show you. Right here, you describe the image you want to create. I'm going to type a modern tech startup office with natural lighting, cinematic photography, professional look. Now before I hit generate, let me show you some of the advanced settings. You can add reference images here if you have them. This helps the AI understand the style you're going for. There's also this auto prompt feature, which is super cool. If you click this, it'll automatically refine your prompt to get better results. Let me try that. And yeah, look at that. It expanded my prompt with way more detail. Now let's choose a model. Artlist has over 46 image models to choose from, but I'm going to use Artlist Original 1.0 because it has 4 dedicated styles: cinematic, professional, indie, and commercial. I'm going to go with cinematic for this project. You can also adjust your aspect ratio and resolution here. I'm going to go with 16:9 since this is for a video project, and I'll set it to high resolution. Alright, if you hover over the generate button, you can see exactly how many credits this will cost. Let's hit generate and see what we get. Okay, wow, look at these results. This is exactly what I was going for. Clean, professional, cinematic lighting. And the best part? These images look real. They don't have that overly AI-generated look that you get from some other tools. I'm going to generate a few more variations just to have options. What I like to do is take the best one and add it as a reference image for the next generation. This way, the AI has more information to pull from, and you get more consistent results. Alright, I'm happy with this one. Let's move on to video. Now let's bring this image to life. I'm going to click up here to switch to AI video. And here's where the magic happens. Because we're still in the same project, the AI already knows what we're working on. We're not starting from scratch. So I can either describe a video from scratch, or I can use this image we just created and animate it. I'm going to do the latter. I'll click Image to Video and upload our office image. Now let's choose a model. Artlist has 18 video models to choose from, including Sora 2, Veo 3.1, Kling, and more. You can even find the latest Grok Imagine model that comes with 15-second long multi-shot and synced audio. Each model has different strengths. Some are better for realism, some are faster, some are better for motion. For this, I'm going to use Veo 3.1 because it's great for smooth cinematic motion. Here's a really cool feature. You can add a start frame and an end frame. So if you want to control exactly how the video begins and ends, you can do that. I'm just going to use the start frame for now. Let me set the duration to 6 seconds, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, and I'm going to include audio, because some of these models generate ambient sound, which is super useful. Alright, let's hit generate. This usually takes a minute or two, so I'll fast forward. Okay, and here we go.
I feel we're on the right track with this. Agreed, the initial feedback is very positive. I think we're on the right track.
Look at that. Smooth camera movement, natural lighting, and it even added some subtle ambient sound. This is production-ready footage, guys. You could drop this straight into your edit. Okay, now I will try to generate the video using the same image, but with the Grok Imagine model. This time, I will add a very detailed prompt to generate a multi-shot video with voiceover and sound. Just enter the prompt and set all other settings. Once done, hit the send button and wait for some time. And here is the result.
Innovation begins where great minds connect. Built with precision, designed for performance, engineered to empower teams everywhere. Meet the future of technology, launching innovation, starting today.
This is truly something amazing. I think it surpasses Sora 2 and Veo 3. The shots are amazing. It still keeps the character consistent in different scenes. The voiceover is also consistent. The text is legit. I love this result. What I love about this workflow is that everything is organized right here. I can see my image, my video, and in a second, we're going to add voiceover, all in the same project. No jumping between tools, no losing context. It's all right here. All right, now let's add a voiceover to complete this project. I'm going to click up here to switch to AI voiceover. Artlist comes with 3 major AI voiceover generators: 11 Labs, Minimax, 02 HD, and Cartesia Sonic. All of them are very powerful. After selecting the voice model, come to the voice actors. Artlist has a massive library of voices, over 71 languages, multiple accents, different tones. You can filter by model, language, category, gender, age, whatever you need. For this project, I want a professional, confident voice. Let me browse through these. Okay, I like this one. Now, I'm going to write a quick script. Let me type. Introducing the future of productivity, where innovation meets simplicity. Welcome to the next generation. Before I generate, let me show you the customization options. You can adjust the accent, the stability, the speed, and even add voice effects. I'm going to keep it natural, but maybe I'll slow it down just a bit for a more dramatic feel. All right, let's generate. And there we go. Listen to this.
Introducing the future of productivity, where innovation meets simplicity. Welcome to the next generation.
That sounds so good. And the best part? This took like a minute. No booking a voice actor, no recording studio, no back and forth revisions. Just type your script and generate. And just like with images and video, everything is saved right here in my project. I can download this, add it to my timeline, and we're good to go. Now in this method, you can create other shots and assemble all the video clips using a video editor. Okay, so let's talk about why this is such a big deal. Before the AI toolkit, my workflow looked like this. I generate an image in Midjourney, download it, upload it to Runway to animate it, download that, then go to 11 Labs for voiceover, and finally bring everything into my editor. It's a mess. With Artlist AI Toolkit, everything happens in one place. I created an image, animated it into a video, and added a voiceover, all without leaving the platform. And because it's project-based, everything stays organized. I can come back to this project tomorrow, next week, next month, and everything is still here. Plus, Artlist is constantly adding new models. Right now, there are over 64 models to choose from, 18 for video, 46 for images, and they're adding more all the time. So you're always working with the latest and greatest AI technology. Alright guys, that's the Artlist AI Toolkit. Honestly, I think this is the future of content creation. It's a game changer. If you want to try it out, head over to artlist.io. I'll put the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below letting me know what you think about the AI Toolkit. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go create something amazing.